Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically refresh a page in Chrome. Now let's go ahead and try to find some random page here in the news section. Let's say for example this one, and we want to refresh this one every now and then. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and open our extensions. We're going to go ahead and look for an extension called auto refresh. So this is going to be the one that we're using. We can just add this to the Chrome just like so, and there you have it. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's pin that one, open it, and then we can go ahead and set the interval of this refresh. So say for example it's going to be just around 3 seconds for the sake of video, and then the random interval here you can go ahead and try to set this up, and I can just go ahead and click the start. All right, so that's one. All right, there you go. You can see it moving, right? So it's just automatically refreshing itself. And there you go. That, everybody, is how you're going to automatically refresh a page in Chrome.